It's not perfect, but it looks really fucking good right now.
Wow!
Dude, you look good!
Wow!
Okay, this car took a lot longer to wrap than I thought it would, outside of just doing it on a daily basis, as well as just being busy with work and my other things going on in my life. I'm just gonna finish up this last bit of wrap in this video. It might go into tomorrow, so if I change clothes, that's why. Gonna finish the hood, the front bumper, and the rear tailgate. With all that said, hopefully I can finish this by tomorrow. I say that every single time. Doesn't happen, but most of the wrap is done. Gonna have new pieces coming in. The trims are gonna be ordered, but I really wanted to finish the wrap first, as well as figure some stuff out. But the video after this one will be all interior. It's gonna be me putting back in the interior because I already wiped it down. Probably vacuum it one last time. Clean out some hard to reach areas, and then hopefully the carpet will be here. I don't know what's taking so long, but yeah. So let's get on with the video. Oh my god, again. That was the third try. I'm gonna turn off the camera and it'll be done in 2 seconds. So as you can see, the car's outside. It's actually, I had to re-bondo that patch because, well, it turned out kind of lumpy. So just right now the bondo's drying. I'm gonna sand it down again. Not gonna show that part. I also wrapped it once and it failed. As you can see, the white part right there. Basically right there is the part where I did it, and then the rest of it just did not work out, so I cut it all out, and now it's like that. So I'm just gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna jump to doing the hood and the front bumper because I don't want to keep showing the tailgate over and over and over again. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Next day, I let the bondo dry overnight. I was trying to do the front bumper. I utterly failed. Donald's here to help me out this time. But yeah, so we're gonna rip this all off right now. Just burn my skin off.
Sorry.
You really got it? Yeah. Don't look at it.
Cheats.
Oh wait, do you play with cheats?
Absolutely.
I don't play with cheats.
Motherload?
That's why I was like, oh, when we build the house, like, it's probably not gonna be that cool. We don't have any money. And she was like, what do you mean you don't have money? It's cheap.
I like to build family though. I like to be a baller and like attract people with my wealth.
Oh, let's do this.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is all that. Yo, okay, it's not perfect, but it looks really fucking good right now. I need to put this back in, cut out all these little bumper things, but update, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it so far, even though it's kind of ghetto. But in all honesty, what was I expecting? So, cut out a little more, gonna keep time-lapsing through the rest of this, and hopefully I'll be done.
Yeah. Ay, coming in. Yeah. Flex.
Where's your camera?
A little lower.
What? Oh shit. That good?
I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who we running with, yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again.
Wow.
Dude, you look good.
Wow. Wow. It's the lighting. Donna, do you think you would look pretty in this lighting? Because we look really pretty. Yeah.
Still recording?
Yeah. Just stick your head in. No, polar bear. You look so cute. You look so cute. Your glasses look extra big.
Is that not what my glasses normally look like?
They don't look that big, I don't think.
Yeah, state your name. Big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn, he did it again. I just.
We're gonna go pick up Allison from the airport. So. Hey guys.
Flex. I just wanna win. Yeah. LABB, who we running with. Yeah. 2233, I'm on 10 again. Okay, alright.
Hello.
Hi Allison.
Hello.
Exactly. Back in the garage, Donald just dropped me off. We picked up Allison. Time to finish up this wrap on the front bumper and then move on to the trunk. It's gonna be a little sanding, and then it's just gonna be straight up wrapping, and then I am freaking done, like 100% done. I'm not gonna worry about this anymore, and I can start doing all the interior stuff. So let's get this finished.
Broken whips is longer than this foreign. Heard you want it cause the yam's enormous. What's an ass since she isn't gorgeous? Live my life, last name of Morgan Freeman. Trying to
Finally finished the wrap on this car. Really happy about how it turned out, and I'm really thankful to my friends that have come and helped me with this project. Special thanks to Allison, Anthony, Brandy, Pieman, Calvin, Donald, Edwin, Eleanor, Judy, Lawrence, Manny, Nick, Theory, Tiffany, and Winnie for just giving me their time and really helping me sand and wrap this car. With that being said, the next couple of videos are going to be about the interior. The new carpet and seatbelts came in, so look forward to that. As for actual mods to this car, they're coming soon. I have some, but I just really want to bring this car back to a nice stock look first before doing anything else to it. I know this is like, why would I take such a shitty car and make it back to normal and then just mess it up all again? It's because I want to be comfortable driving this car. This car had a lot of smells, this had a lot of stains. I felt dirty the moment I sat in there. My friend that can't even smell felt like, could feel it was stinky just by sitting in it. That's a bad sign. So that's why this car is being brought back to normal before I do anything else to it. Give this video a like if you liked it. Give it a dislike if you disliked it. Comment, subscribe, share with your friends. If you want to see live updates, follow me on my Instagram at ChewyBar. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye!